watching every strand grow like magic on command. Through the highs and lows, still I let it shine. This crown on my head is purely mine. Let it flow, let it swing, let it catch the light. Every twist and turn feels just right. From roots to ends, I've come so far. This hair's my story, my shining star. A blue, a blue, a blue. Argan oil, patience, and a little care. Years of love wrapped in every strand of hair. They said you should model, now look at me, shaking these locks for the world to see. From pain